Hey everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just coming down to Fartboy. Once again, thank you for your support. Okay, big of the CoinsKid crew. So I'll keep you updated on Fartboy every day as best I can. If you are looking for more Fartboy content, get involved in the Discord. We've got a dedicated channel right there. The Fartboy community is absolutely blowing up. Lots of TA, ideas, memes, and things like that. It's a fantastic community. The link's in the video description. So what are my price targets and where do I anticipate that we could actually get for with Fartboy, and where would I be looking to, start to lock in some profit? So I bought into Fartboy. I've not sold a single token, but I do intend to take some profit at some point. Okay, so I do think I will begin to take profit at roughly $4. So why am I looking at $4? Basically what I'm looking at is the market cap of, for those people that have not been on the channel for a very long time, and for those people that have, they will remember that I did call a meme coin in January of 2023, 2 years ago. I was looking at Bonk as a fantastic opportunity, and it was down there roughly, I think it was around about 29 million market cap when I called it in January of 2023 right there. So what I'm looking at is a potential scenario that we could get to the all-time high market cap as Bonk. Okay, so if I drop Bonk in as a comparison right now, what I'm looking at is a potential scenario where we do see in the short term a run towards $1.36, which is basically the market cap of Bonk at current time frame, but the all-time high that Bonk got to was $4 billion. Okay, especially after getting listed on exchanges and things like that, which is what Fartboy's going through right now in the process of getting listed on multiple exchanges. I've been looking to take a little bit of profit on Fartboy at roughly the $4 target, and this is something I've relayed to the CoinsKid crew. So that's my projected target. Okay, and obviously it might not go there and it might go there, who knows, no one's got a crystal ball, but I think there's a potential scenario where we could actually get to that particular target and beyond. If this particular project, and there's absolutely zero guarantees, remember, nothing I say is financial advice, but if it does pull a Shiba Inu, which I remember writing it wrong, I do apologize, a Shiba Inu, which was a meme coin that came from absolutely nowhere in that cycle in 2021, where it came up into the spring of 2021 at around about 12 billion I think it was, and then it came back and then it went to 40 billion, then we could be looking at a massive market cap of 40 billion odd for Fartboy. Now there's no guarantees that it will get there, but if it does get there, then that is what sort of price you're looking at per Fartboy token, and this is why I will only take a small percentage of profit at that $4 target if we get there. Okay, and it is big ifs, there's no guarantees. Please remember, nothing I say on this channel is financial advice. This is a meme coin, it's extremely volatile, you don't go real life savings, just a small risk, minimal risk trade, but I wish everyone most luck with this. Okay, so we have got listings right now on Blowfin. I think we're in talks with Mexi as well, so I think Gate.io have already listed us, so yeah, doing incredibly well. It's an amazing project, and I'm super proud of the CoinsKid crew that have took this under the wing and ran with it basically. So let's dive into the charts right now to see what we can see. But if you are looking for more content, be part of a community, definitely get involved in the CoinsKid Discord right there. The link's in the video description. Let's dive into the charts, see what we can see. Okay, so looking at this particular project, Fartboy, then on Dex Screener, on the hourly time frame at the moment, it's just trending up. It's in a whopping uptrend. It's doing incredibly well. You can clearly see that any sort of dips are getting slurped up, and it's just a massive amount of support in this particular project. So basically, this is the rug pull. So this comes up like this, double top drop, and as this starts to fall down, that the reason that this dropped like this is because the developer was taking all the liquidity out of the market. And I've gone through this with you as to why I did pick this coin up, because it was in the trenches down here, it was in the floor, and I realized that the developer had basically scammed everyone, which was not very nice. And what he'd done, he developed the coin, sent 22 million coins to, I think, roughly 30 wallets or something like that, and then as it come up, he rugged them, he sold from all of those wallets. Okay, which has led to this horrible, nasty drawdown in this fantastic project, which is basically Fartboy. So we came along, we discovered it, and boom, one bit of good news in this particular project, and look at that, it's absolutely took off and exploded, and it's done really well. But this is the reason, and again, I've not got a crystal ball, I can't see into the future, but this is the reason for me why I am not swing trading this particular project, because it has one bit of good news and you could see another little breakout like that, a huge vertical to the upside. And then if you're swing trading, looking to sell into resistance, anticipating buying back lower, one little bit of good news in this particular project could see a vertical again, just like that big big vertical there, which was the good news of the CoinsKid crew actually getting involved and rescuing this from the depths of the trenches basically. So far so good. We've seen a huge move to the upside, and long may it continue. But as we come up in psychological resistance levels, you will see levels of consolidation and resistance. For example, here 10 million, wicked into that 10 million, had the huge ABC zigzag correction, which is basically a horizontal like this. Okay, so you went sideways in a range, boom, 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 broke out back to see you later. Then you ran into the, I think, 16.26 million. 1, 2, 3 points of resistance, an ascending triangle, which is basically a continuation pattern, broke out into the 50 million market cap. You've had a whopping A, B, C, D, E 5-wave correction, and right now you're breaking bull again. But again, what you're doing, you run into the psychological level in a potential ascending triangle like you did there into the $100 million market cap. So again, I just think it's risky to swing trade this, because I've made the mistake of swing trading before when I sell into resistance, looking to buy back lower. It was going really well for me, to be honest with you, on a coin called Chainlink in the early days, 2018 I was doing that, and then all of a sudden, boom, it just doubled overnight and I lost half my bag. So I don't necessarily look to swing trade in these projects anymore. Okay, it's a mistake that I made, a newbie mistake. So if you are swing trading, please be careful. There was a lot of people that did reply yesterday. They've lost a lot of coins because been swing trading. So I would not advise swing trading in this particular project. Okay, I'd just be looking to accumulate dips personally, because it's doing incredibly well. So again, it just takes one bit of good news. Who knows, Binance list it or something like that, anything, one bit of good news, and this, you could see a major breakout to the upside. And if you're selling into resistance, anticipating to buy back lower, that one bit of news could go against you basically. So I just think it's risky. For me at the minute, I'm just holding on, accumulating the dips into the rips basically, but I'm not selling. I'm looking to sell and start to take profit on this particular project once we get to that $4 price tag. And the reason is because I do think it could do a bonk, and again, that's just my opinion, nothing I say is financial advice. If it does a bonk, fantastic, it gets to 4 billion, who knows where it could go to in this next big impulse that I think is brewing in the crypto markets, especially for Bitcoin. So I'm looking at the risk on environment. I actually think at the moment, although we're going through this correction, it's horrible, doing this right now is proof within itself that we are still risk on it. And I'm looking at S&P 500, I'm looking at gold, I'm looking at the potential breakdown of Bitcoin dominance as to a clue that we've not necessarily entered this bear market yet for the crypto market. So in theory, this is a trending up project right now. So there's nothing bearish in this particular chart or project at the moment, but in time, obviously, there will be, and I'll try and relay that message to you. So far so good. Big thumbs up. Fartboy is absolutely cruising. It's doing really, really well. If you are looking to get involved in Fartboy, then you can just copy the contract address in the link in the video description right there. Install Phantom. It's really simple. You can install it on your mobile phone or desktop. Then you just swap out your SOL or your USDC. It's entirely up to you. But again, if you are looking to invest in Fartboy, only invest what you can afford to lose. Don't go into your life savings. Nothing I say is financial advice. I wish everyone the most luck. If you are looking to be part of the community, drop into the Discord, into the Fartboy section. So far, so good. I wish everyone the most luck on this particular project. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Back to an update on Fartboy. Bye-bye.